Oh no. Chainsaws turn deadly when handled by weak, inexperienced operators. One wrong move, and in a split second, control is lost. Danger takes over. Think hiring a pro is expensive? Wait until you see the cost of hiring an amateur. One bad cut can turn a $100 job into thousands of dollars in damage in seconds. Cutting trees without proper safety gear isn't bravery, it's risk disguised as confidence. One slip and seconds decide everything, leaving consequences that last far longer than the job itself. Love chainsaws and heavy equipment? Hit like and subscribe now because the wildest logging action is still ahead. A freshly rebuilt 090 AV chainsaw faces its first real test engine roaring, bar biting deep into hardwood, every cut proving whether this legendary machine is ready to earn its name again. What you're seeing is brutal low-end torque driving a 4-foot steel bar straight through a massive oak root, ripping it clean from the trunk with unstoppable force. No hesitation, just raw power turning resistance into nothing. It may look like a movie scene, but this is real-life raw, exhausting work that tests both skill and endurance. Any log truck driver watching knows the truth. Only those behind the wheel understand the pressure, the risk, and the grind. Respect to the ones who keep this industry moving. You can't help but hold your breath, watching this, an overloaded container teetering on a narrow ledge, held by a single cable. There's zero margin for error. One tiny mistake could send everything crashing in seconds. Drop a 1 if you think driving a log-loaded container truck is seriously dangerous. The suspension is fighting back under crushing load, every inch flexing, every component under pressure. The weight on the cargo is immense, pushing the limits of what the machine can safely endure. A deep engine rumble, blue smoke, and clouds of sawdust blend into a scene that feels straight out of the past, yet it's pure modern forestry power. One moment, a dense brush stands tall. The next, it's reduced to fragments. It's like watching an MS Paint eraser come to life in the real world. For those curious, this is a common Swedish forestry method used in replanting trenching cuts through the organic layer, placing seedlings directly into mineral soil. This boosts moisture access, improves survival rates, and speeds growth. The technique on display is stunning, especially the rotating system. The Viber 84 wood chipper is built to crush logs up to 24 inches thick without choking its 510 horsepower engine. Tested in Sweden on logging debris, it delivers an incredible output of 36 tons per hour. No wonder Swedish loggers trust this beast in the field. And here we go. A tree can surprise you faster than you think. Blink, and everything changes. That ending hit hard. I didn't see it coming. Absolutely mind-blowing. This stump grinder uses a high-speed cutting wheel with ultra-hard metal teeth to shred stumps into sawdust in minutes. Powered by a strong engine, often from several dozen to over 100 horsepower, it bites deep into hardwood without slowing down. Forget the grinder, watch this electric broom in action. I've never seen cleanup this fast. It sweeps everything away, leaving the lawn spotless without tearing up the surface. Smooth, efficient, and oddly satisfying to watch from start to finish. This truly shows how the right equipment changes everything. That John Deere system makes the entire operation look effortless, keeping logs moving non-stop. Investing in advanced machinery pays off, turning grueling forestry work into a smooth, controlled, high-efficiency process that saves time, boosts output, and reduces operator strain. Large cedar trees are often hollow at the core, common in damp coastal climates. That hidden decay makes every fall unpredictable. One cut can behave differently than expected, forcing operators to read the tree carefully and respect the risk before making the final move. Impressive. Nearly 30 years old, yet it climbs steep slopes like modern machines. The LKT skidder has earned a legendary reputation in European forestry for its agility and reliability. Just watch it in action, you'll instantly understand why this classic still commands respect in the toughest terrain. LKT's canyon cornering skills are on another level. If you respect that logging precision, drop a 3 in the comments now. That's a smart approach to roadside maintenance. Just swing the arm, grab the log, and feed it straight in. No strain, no struggle. One machine replaces an entire crew, turning heavy manual labor into a smooth, controlled, high-efficiency operation. Real monsters battling brutal conditions, engines roaring, tires spinning, diesel smoke rolling into the cold air. It's a long, punishing day of hauling timber and wrestling through deep snow, where traction, power, and pure grit decide whether you move forward or get buried in the white silence. Dismantling the crane is one of the most dangerous moments in logging operations. One wrong move changes everything. And that log bunk? It's seriously long, built to handle massive loads with precision and control.
We'll see.
Look at the size of that log. You'd never expect a tractor to move something that massive, let alone drag it through the woods. Yet the MB Track 1100 pulls it through deep mud like it's nothing but a small branch. The 1270 proves its worth. This stubborn stump won't give up easily. You can see controlled force at work, crushing and twisting roots most machines can't handle. Power matters, but precision and technique are what truly finish the job. Look at this, built for anyone bold enough to use it. It barely feels like a tool, more like a handheld cutter. 3,000 inches action, fast, sharp, and unforgiving in every move. Love chainsaws and heavy equipment beasts? Smash that like button and subscribe for more insane logging power in action.